Good morning, guys. I don't know. How is it that I wake up every morning and I start the vlogs with good morning, guys, and then what time it is? I don't know. Today's agenda is later today. Gonna be meeting up with Tom because we want to go and see the new Captain America movie, which looks kick-ass. And then after that, no idea. I don't know, literally, I have no idea. Today's just a day out. I like it. Oh, that's another thing as well. Just check this out on my Facebook page, and not Facebook page, YouTube page on subscriptions. And one little subscription came up, and which I was quite surprised to see. I was like, whoa, he's back. So, yeah, Sean is now doing his vlogs again. He's starting from the beginning, from day one. But it's definitely worth watch to see what he's been doing since, his absence in Swansea and stuff. And it's definitely good to see from his side, on what's been happening and everything like that. So the link's in the description down there to his channel, which is at Sean's Adventures In. I helped him out recently as well with like a new intro just to help him out, but I didn't think he would do it so quickly. I was like, whoa, okay. But yeah, definitely check it out, guys. It's worth a watch. Are we in a car? Oh, hello.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. I can't even. It sounded hi.
Hi, we're going town stuff.
Pretty much.
Well, you see, it was like this. I asked Jamie if you want to go on like a date to see Captain America. Oops, shit, yellow light. So yeah, I'm pretty much taking Jamie out on a date to go see a movie and dinner. The most heterosexualist date ever.
Yeah. Are you paying for food?
No.
Are you paying for the food? Not food, the movie?
No.
This is not a date!
Well, I don't like you that much, so yeah. Pay for your own shit. Okay, there we go. All good.
Okay.
And now we're gonna take that.
I can't. I dropped my phone.
I can't scream like you. I don't have that much ovaries like you do.
Oh. So apparently, from all the screaming that we've done, we've now got cigarette voices.
I did more screaming than you have, and I did a really amazing
God
scream.
damn it! You've ruined the joke.
Well, you ruined the reference to Lucky Star, so I'm allowed to.
Fair enough. Now, we parked the car, we're working on our way down. Is that a ship out there in the ocean? Yes. Fair enough. ADD. For the win!
Well, where do you expect ships to be?
Tickets bought. What are we going to see?
Captain America and Winter Soldier.
So basically...
And then the next one to be the Spring Sailor, and then...
Iron Man 4, Hulk 5, and
Thor
Lord
3.
of the Thor.
Thor. Sorry.
I can't do anymore. We were hungry, we just needed food. Isn't that right, Tom?
Yes.
Yeah? Oh, that looks sexy. That.
I know I am, aren't I?
No. That's pretty much me. What about you? No? You're fine?
I'm fine.
It's too bright. No, it's like that. That echoed into the cinema. They're gonna come out thinking, what the hell? And we're going in there later to see a film.
They'll never know.
Kids. Oh, diabetes, you are nice. Should I get a Starbucks?
I wear he's eaten the creams of the ice, and we're I can't English.
I know.
So we're gonna Toys R Us, gonna about and oh, I swore. Sorry. I mean, I'm really I can't stop.
You know, every time I know you're gonna swear, I always buy alcohol because I have to drink a lot of it when I'm editing out your bits. There's so many bits.
I'm so sorry. I'm sorry for saying. I'm so sorry. I'm really gonna stop swearing. Do you hate me?
A little bit. Go on, try it. This is his first try at coffee. Caramel macchiato.
Actually, it's vanilla and it's quite good.
He likes it! Yeah, caramel macchiato. Gorgeous. My feet are hurting me.
Oh, boo hoo hoo.
I knew you'd say that.
This is Jamie. Oh, these heels are just absolutely horrible. Ow, ow, ow.
But okay, fair enough, they hurt. But you got to admit, the fashion, sexy as hell.
I'm so flaccid. It makes a noodle look hard.
Captain America?
Captain America.
Okay. What was Captain America?
It was good. It was good.
One word just to say for it all, Tom?
Shit.
No, there was a scene. I'm not saying anything. No spoilers.
There was
here.
the scene where
No spoilers. No spoilers. Nothing.
There was the scene where some unpredictability came into blossom,
Yeah.
and after that scene was finished, there was silence, and only I went, shit. And the people,
Quite loudly.
And the people in our radius burst into giggles.
Oh God, that was fun though. Now we gotta head all the way back up to the flat just to get the car.
Well, that's where we're parked. It's free parking.
True. Oh
Oh no.
no. Oh, if I could just pull. Oh.
No. Oh, okay, there we go.
That kind of plugged in, but the thing is, we kind of run across the road, and let's just say I need to put you in a better strap. That's all I'm saying.
Learn to tuck and roll.
Yeah. And then I just saw you kind of scratched badly on.
We were worried for a moment.
Oh goodness, scratched at the back. There's some definite crack. There's a crack.
You have a bruise.
Oh.
You have a bruise.
I'm gonna be. Oh, I'm scared.
I think it's.
Can still see slightly damaged. How can I? Oop, there we go. Just gonna push you a little bit. But yeah, on our way back from Swansea. Hi.
Hi.
Oh, my feet are actually killing me. So when I get back here, I'm getting into my pajamas and just. Ugh. Well, I gotta transfer you guys over. Hopefully, I can get the memory stick out of you easily. But I know definitely tomorrow for most of the day, it's gonna be an iTouch mode. So that's a bit of a heads up now for the next video that you watch. It's gonna be iTouch. Yeah, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, guys. As you can see, that is like. You can see the dent is. Oh. If I try to turn around and see what happens. Oh. See, as soon as you close it, it does that. And that kind of makes me a little bit sick just looking at that. That is just. Oh. But yeah. Yeah. So that's fun. Alright, look at the back as well. You can kind of see there's cracks and stuff already on it. Where is it? Yeah. Not a fun thing to see. So. Definitely worth something to get checked and see what they say tomorrow. So yeah, I've just now linked it up to my Mac, so I'm gonna transfer all the data off there. Because what I'll do now, I'll put that in the box with stuff. I'll get the warranty, and I will check then to see what happens there. I'm gonna call it a night, guys. It was a good day. Kind of sucks that that's gone kapooey in a way, but see what happens there tomorrow. Anyway, thanks for watching today's video, guys. Hopefully you've enjoyed what you saw today and the randomness. And if you have, don't forget to hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit like and hit the subscribe button. You get to see what's been happening for a good 3 years now, and everything that's been going to be happening now for the future days and onwards from day 1000. And I will see you guys tomorrow for a brand spanking new day. Hopefully it'll be better than the rest. So until then, take it easy, guys. I'll stop.
Jamie's blog. Jamie's blog. Jamie's blog. Jamie's blog. Jamie's